Hello everyone, welcome to the another video on Power Automate. This is Deenuji Loganathan. Today I come up with some interesting, use case. Okay, so mostly I am creating the videos related to on Power Automate. So definitely you guys know I'm more or familiar on Power Automate RPA. I rarely create videos on Power Automate Cloud Flows, right? So in the last couple of weeks, I'm working more on the Power Automate Cloud Flows, where I have struggled a lot whenever I deal with a very complex JSON. And those JSONs are each and every time it comes with some different additional parameters, etc. And it is very difficult to parse as well, because if schema is standard, then definitely I can get that schema, and based on that I can use of parse JSON, and I can get my required parameters, right? Or object. But the problem is each and every time it is creating some different schema. I will show some example here. If you look at this is a kind of complex JSON, and if I want to extract only the task attachments, right, attachments name, it is very difficult to do it in the Power Automate Cloud Flow. Look at this overall structure of this JSON. Okay, so this is a requested ID, and you can see here there is a project array. Inside the project array there is a project. Again there is a task array. Inside the task there is a assignee, and there are multiple task IDs as well. And somewhere they have mentioned the task ID 02, we have attachments as well, right? So if I want to parse this, I mean, each and every time, I don't know exactly when I will get this attachment, right? So to parse this JSON, and it is very difficult to get these attachments, I mean, quickly in Power Automate. And if you also see, there are so many people are writing about this, they're struggling to process JSON with MS Flow. You can see there are so many people are start writing. This is more complex scenarios. People are getting struggle. And very recently, I have seen this article. This is from Joe, and you can see here he have created a regular expression custom connector. Okay, using C sharp code. So this is the C sharp code. With that, if you parse the JSON data and if you apply the regular expressions, it will return the required outputs. Okay, it is quite interesting for me and it is very useful. So I thought of creating this video, and so that people, other people who are struggling on this parse JSON in the complex scenarios, it might helpful for the community as well. So with that and intention, I'm creating this video, and but the full credits goes to the author Joe and okay. And he inspired this idea from Alex. I have seen Alex code as well. So he have created a sort a string array using the custom connector. So with this idea, Joe have inspired, and he have created the regular expression component using the custom connector. It's quite interesting. So first let's try to create the custom connector, then we will see how to integrate that with our flow. Okay, first I'm going to click on the custom connector. I'm just going to follow the same article. Okay, so I will click on the create from blank, and I will use regular expression continue, and I will get the required code from here. Okay, I'm just copying the YAML file. Okay, the Swagger editor, we will upload this. Okay, Swagger editor, we will upload this. Okay, now you can see here there is a post with the regular expression. It would require input string and pattern parameter. Again, that is a string and a option. So these are the required parameters, I would say. Then let's go to the next, no security, and this also fine. You can update with URL, that is fine. And in the code we have to copy it again. Okay, now let's paste this here. Okay, now let's create and do the testing. Okay, okay, it is showing some error. Okay, now I will update it again. Okay, custom connector has been successfully created. Now time to test that. Okay, now we will take this complex JSON from ChatGPT, then I will paste it here. I want to get the attachments, right? The file names, right? So I will ask ChatGPT, I want to extract file name, for all attachments from the above JSON value. Please generate the regex for the same. Okay, so this is the regex I'm copied from the ChatGPT. Okay, I will paste it in the pattern and I will copy the code, JSON code. I will paste it here. Okay, now this is fine and we will create a connection also. This is fine. Okay, now we have passed our input JSON and the pattern, that's a regular expression, and option you can keep it as a ignore case, that is fine. So let's test the this operation. It is showing access dynamic missing subscription key. Okay, let's create again. I'm not sure what subscription key it is asking. Usually it won't ask that subscription key and all. Okay, you can see here it extracted the all attachments from the JSON. You can see here there is a value plan.docs, right, and diagram.png. So these are the information attachment name available in the JSON. Let's quickly verify that once. Okay, you can see here there is no attachments here inside the projects array. You can see in the task 2 there is a two attachments, plan.docs and diagram.png, and apart from that nothing is there. Maybe we can include some more attachments as well. Okay, so let's do that. uh, I will edit the JSON straight away. I will try to edit in some notepad so that it will be properly visible for the proper edit. Okay, so I will put it in the notepad. I will copy this and I will paste this again. Okay, I will keep this as PA training docs. Okay, I added one more no attachments as well. Let's try to test this as well. Okay, oh, again I will replace that input. I am clicking on the test operation. You can see the output now. It should shows the three documents attachments now. So diagram.png, pa training.docs. So this is a easy way of extracting the information based on the regular expression in Power Automate. Okay, so I will update the connector. I will see how to integrate that within Power Automate Cloud as well. Okay, so I have more experience in the Power Automate RPA, and mostly we will manage all this extraction using regular expression only. So I have thought why Microsoft is not introduced the proper regular expression support here. But after I found this article, it is very helpful when you dealing with the very complex JSON. Okay, so that is what I creating this video. It is enabling the custom code. Okay, that is fine. It will take another couple of seconds, and then we will quickly go to the code, and we will see how to integrate that with the cloud flows. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the my flow. I will create some instant flow only. Okay. Regex test is my flow. I'm creating the manual flow right now. Okay. Now let's pick our. Before that, I will create some compose action to paste my JSON here. Okay. So my JSON is ready. JSON data. Okay. Now let's add regular expression. Regular expression. Then we will pass our text here. Okay. That's the JSON data. And the expression we will copy from the chat GPT. We will paste this here, and we have multiple options. These are the whether you want to ignore the cases and etc. For now, just keep ignore case as it is. No need to change, and save your flow, and let's try to test this. Okay, let's verify our output from the regular expression connector. Okay, let's verify the output from the regular expression. Let's see the raw outputs. You can see here it extracted all the attachments, so plain docs, diagram.png, and pa training docs, etc. Okay, now we will try to get the value from this regular expression, right? So to do that, first we will try to get the schema from the regular expression. Okay, now let's copy this. Okay, this is our body of regular expression output, right? Now let's use parse JSON. Parse JSON, and we will paste it here. Okay, it looks fine. Done, and we will pass our body from the regular expressions here. Okay, so we can see there is a body. Okay, now we can pass into the parse JSON, And to read the attachment's name, we will try, we will use a compose action here. Okay, you can pick the file name from, that file name will comes on the body value. Okay, we will take that. Okay, if you add that, it will go on the apply to each, for each. Okay, so let's save this. We will execute this flow, and we will verify whether it is showing our attachments one by one or not. Okay. Okay, let's verify our output. To see here, there is a plan.docs and second one diagram, and the third one is a PA training docs. Awesome, right? So you can create a similar custom connector from your tenant as well, environment as well. I will share the my connector JSON file. Okay, I will paste this Swagger JSON in the my GitHub, and I will give the link. You can get that Swagger JSON, and if you want to create a similar connector, you can click here and you can import, and you can use the import and open API file. Okay, you can then import the downloaded Swagger JSON. Okay, like this. Then you will get the custom connector, and you just copy the this C# code from this article, and you can paste it in the code window. After you enable this, you can paste it here. Your custom connector will be ready for the regular expressions. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to the community, and if you like my content, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up on this all the videos, whatever you are watching. It will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.